I'm Catherine.
I'm Lisa.
I'm Amy.
I'm Lauren.
Did you hear that?
Yes, that's like
it's
so like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe on YouTube. Sorry.
Already starts. I am hangry. She's hangry, and so is Lisa.
I'm upset.
Lisa's happy.
My whole life has been ruined.
Okay, let's pray.
Do them right now because we're gonna get off really soon.
Really soon.
10 seconds. Okay, so this one's about to go away. So
Rewrite the stars.
Myra Valencia said, "Please sing Rewrite the Stars." Does anyone know that?
No. Breathe in that nighttime air. Breathe in that nighttime air. Messy. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Man, guys, I'm happy that Jesus is behind the light too.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, my new look.
The sun is killing me.
Oh no, I'm just the one where
You can take.
No, we do them both.
The last one.
What do you say? One.
No, wait, let her sing.
Wait, we should move.
Wait,
Bless you. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any other behind the scenes of our lives, things you want to see, leave us a comment below and let us know what it is. Ooh, see, we're real people. We sneeze.
Question yourself a little further.
Yeah, and because usually the goal behind trying to be perfect is you just want to feel loved or good enough. You need to figure out what the goal that's pushing that goal is, and then you can address that problem directly.
Yeah, and if you're talking about like perfect and like
phone. I did, but that was because I didn't have enough storage. I deleted Facebook. Okay, guys,
Wait,
listen.
what does this mean to you?
This means I'll tell you what it means. Okay. I don't know if you guys go on Facebook or how young you are. You better get some allergy medicine soon.
I feel like I'm getting strangled by.
Okay, we're gonna get that.
Did she give you some?
No, shouldn't ask for
I don't
it.
think we have it.
Okay, I have some in my purse. So guys.